morning all. A very special good morning to our distinguished guests from the University of Michigan. In India, we say welcome by greeting everyone by holding our two hands together in front of our heart, expressing our sincere love, gratitude, kindness and everything. And we warm welcome you all by saying Namaste. And in India, we have a concept that in Sanskrit we say Athithi Devo Bhava. Athithi Devo Bhava. Athithi means guest. Okay. We have a culture in which we treat all our guests like God. Right? We treat all our guests like God. Athithi Devo Bhava. Hope last 2 days you have been enjoying in Kerala and hope you are experiencing the love and kindness that we express to our guests all over. And yes, today as we move on, this 2026 August 3rd, in Kerala we also follow the Malayalam calendar. We say it as Kolla Varsham. Okay, today marking Kolla Varsham 1201, the month of Karkidakam. Are you getting? We have 12 months in Malayalam. Today is the month of Karkidakam 18th. Today is August 3rd. At the same time in Kerala, we are considering today as the 18th day of the Malayalam month of Karkidakam. And in Karkidaka Masa is devoted for reciting Adhyatma Ramayana, one of the beautiful script of our culture. Adhyatma Ramayana was written by Thunjappa Ramanujan Eluthishan, who is the father of Malayalam language. Ramanujan wrote Adhyatma Ramayana by praising the story of Lord Sri Rama. Okay, today I am going to share a thought based on Ramayana. Okay, Ramayana is divided into 7 kandas. Kanda, which stands for chapter, and we have 7 kandas in Ramayana. I am going to explain one of the chants from the Ayodhya Kanda from Ramayana. Ayodhya Kanda is one of the chapters from Ramayana, and I am going to explain one of the quotes from Ayodhya Kanda. The context is after the death of King Dasharatha, one of his son, the youngest son, Lakshmana, was worried. He was into depression. He was stuck in the way. And his elder brother, Sri Rama, who we consider as the Lord, Avatara of Lord Vishnu, Sri Rama is giving an advice to Lakshmana. He is advising Lakshmana, which is famous known as Lakshmana Upadesha in Ramayana. Okay, Lakshmana Upadesha means advice. Sri Rama is advising his younger brother Lakshmana about the value of life, about getting not emotionally attached to anyone, becoming strong, leading a good life, and in this context of Ramayana, in Lakshmana Upadesha, Rama is giving so many messages that will help us to copy into the life for a bright future. And these 2 lines are from Ramayana. I will first chant that and I will go to the explanation. Chakshusravanagastamam gadhuram bhakshanatin avekshikunnavole kalahina vaigrastamam logavam alola chedasa bhogangal terunnu. This is one of the chants from Ramayana. Okay, hope you can read by the English letters. It is Chakshu Sravana Galasthama Darbhuram Bhakshanatin Abekshikunnathu Kalahina Parigrastamam Lokavum Alola Chedasa Bhogangal Terunnu. I will just explain the word by meaning. Chakshu means eye, about viewing, and Sravana means ear, about hearing, and Galastamam something joined to the neck. And the term Chakshu Sravana stands for snake. Snake is in which we have the eyes and ears. is doing for Chakshashravana. It explains the way that, like the way a frog is caught up in the mouth of a snake. Okay, like a frog trapped inside the mouth of a snake, we humans are trapped in the mouth of time. Even though the frog knows that he is in danger, instead of realizing the situation, instead of trying to get escape from the mouth of the snake, he always tries to catch new insects. Like the same way, we humans, without realizing the importance of time, we are trying to get greed, wealth, fame, material pleasures, and we are running beyond material pleasures. This God embraces that. Being students or teacher educators, it's not nothing important with what we possess. What important is understanding what we have and finding true and valuable